Ghana Info TV suni politics and trending news and the best more channel you so. Then story be about social media and so agent home and I pa the Pacific best me have phone yakofa the monocribe so more. Come on your social media and so then create trending the me fan brand nearby the can read about Thomas.
The latest news about Asante Bediatuo is where I have to tell folks something. The last time I said to you, say, the Bayebeya Dibia. Well, later I think I didn't like it myself. Chase, now me say me wo hospital and chebe the idea crowd boni ti mani wi, but me san by ebe yes empire being common, so he would wake up, come back, and declare the good name of the Lord, and then again can respect humanity. Right? Let me just see you. We know or do know, say, as we learning from our canary birds and our intelligence sources, say, by this time, utumi eden, ebedru Ghana, but utumi mai.
Ghana Info TV.
Folks, the situation about Bediatuo tells us, say, Bediatuo is not getting well anytime soon. Yeah. He's not getting well anytime soon. And two, Bediatuo may not be able to join the government of Adodan Kwaku at the office of the president until the government would go to opposition. Yeah. This tells us, say, Enyoma Ekosono, Ewoni Widium no, Anodin. I don't know my next news, how that news will look like. No. Listen, I don't know the next news, what that news will look like. But again, folks, all friends and loved ones of Bediatuo, raise yourselves for whatever the situation may be. Brace yourself for whatever that the situation may be like. See, me say I don't know my next coming to you, saying in the news, but again, brace yourself for any news, any eventuality, whatever it is. Brace yourself for it. Na yemfa Ghana enye den enkonenim. So folks, and I'm Bediatuo dia no ede ebro. Great job. George Nabafo say good evening and blessed new week. Oh, Kwaku, I thank you and Hobson for mentioning Kwabinet's name last Friday. Keep up the good work and may the Almighty God continually bless you. Stay safe. And the love emojis. Yes. Auntie Georgina, thank you very much. And so your bompaye Emma Onyankopon say Uncle Swana on shouting. Yes, a very painful loss of your son. Na yenimse Yankopon guswa shouting. Say enche bibi na bibia yentia se tia. Owura Baumia, candidate Baumia, the driver's mate. On to me, Shen Yankupu and Minka said, a brand tea or boa me, mammy, metting about power. With free minsa, men Shen Yankupu and Yam. No, show, mammy cast some quick and send me refi. At the time, what Kwabna Bwedu or free Baumian Sano, no Baumia or your Ghana for Muntie, your cast one of his diagro. Now, me say, Maya Sardina Sana. At the time, Kwabna Bwedu di Baumia etinu, na Baumia oyeden, na Baumia running mate to Akufo-Addo, Murefi. No more power. No more power. Ena Baumia ne special aid way, aya Kwabna Bwedu, pam! Ouye. Ne yaka story na chemo, kwenye fa so abranti no ouye, eni hwe yi a wo mu koye ya. Baumia ne yire Samira and Kwaku dem ho so omani abrante ni funu ekokasa o so omu koye die o omu pani Yankopon pini nim. At that time na Baumia mamaye vice president o no, he was just a running mate. Munti asem ni ye. Now ene omo say onya electrocution e wo hotel ho. Enti electrocution no onu kwani hotel ho ene Kwabna Bwedu no electrocution si ho ma ni wiye sa yo. Ode ane twere ho a ena me no ka sei Dr. Matthew Opoku and a prempe soswo. Also, or your running mate, and Opoku prempe and your running mates. Emma Wine, Alhaji Mahamadu Baumia, as the first saying, candidates, I bet to no swaba. Matthew Opoku prempe so bodyguard. Woo. Etwato asosa. Na mechire mu ansa ne akotoaba. Ghanaians gauge the space. Me say ene Matthew Opoku and a prempe etwa ni din so. Ono nso oye the running mate o. Just like Baumia was a running mate to Akufo-Addo. And Kwabena Buodu died mysteriously, inexplicably. Ene Baumia so running mates. Eye Opoku and a prempe etato or also the bodyguard. Gauge the space. I will explain. And check. Me say, dear, I would explain.
For contract, no, your friend saying, you're Maurice Sampao. He has not hidden the fact that you're MPP. And Maurice Sampao has descended on people like Ghpagetv. The facts also are calling office to grandma Hamana now. Meanwhile, Maurice Sampao is senior baby too. Gabi, also your Chinese. I'm not continuing the office by 3 hours. You see, the entire nano yera a friend say Asante Bediatuo and that's why yari and uncrophobia jubilating. It's because what yet uncrophone so I'm a one in a swabba. But MPP before baby, in fact, MPP I did a poor MPP Cassia, Edidija, and for 4 months, see or party for me here, do mama or more party for mama for contract. No, MPP for 54 days national, almost too much question themselves. A party that won by 1 million votes. You must question yourself why people are jubilating. Why? If you have done the right thing. Party are more by media phone, you now cry MPP sympathizers. Now, media phone, you'll be a fireman. You must question yourself what happened. What did you do? You didn't live up to expectation. A you protect the public purse. You ensure that there's rule of law. You ensure that there's transparency. As you know, other people are sent by here, any other people are sent by here. I'm saying the names that have been mentioned was a moment now. The investigation. I don't know the man can't change any investigation. I don't know so people like Jakumu are peeved. Alan Chairman said that sabotage and almost sabotaging inside his speed. Alan cannot be away from Alan but the guy is determined to follow a way to the logical conclusion because of MPP for one way. It's MPP, most of the things are it's part of the incumbency disadvantage. It's also because internally and externally. They are disappointed people. Party one or more year, and now they are MPP campaigner. How many of the old people they do what they say? How many of the old people? If you look at the numbers, you can see say baby the perception that achieve for no and achieve one can achieve for now that gap be more. There's like a trial or like nipa be say 10 bi omugu nanado and omaji abana boss. Those are the things they handle. And Nanado, if you had at least reduced the perception, reduce the manifestation of those things, like Bema, and that's what I'm saying. So Nanado, over the years, I've made my catch, say he underestimated 1 million extra votes. No, vote to not Ghana for the man. Nanado, who said these are the same people I know who jubilate through. Just I am a young pop, none of me who said, I mean, I don't know, catch a squad in the one gym. Why are we jubilating over people? Because away in the penny who are collected who you tell everybody who ye 25 crowd. And when you are jubilating over somebody's death, you're very careful. But it goes to show you, say, they are 1 year over the years, 1 year here to the fact, say, to the extent of be gratis or why? And Kagana for ye insensitive, sir. And Kagana for the head day, you are mad. And to show baby again to the extent that Obi yari ye because Obi why? Why would we do that? It's a foot on my you do politics now. Me and fan produce that level. Politics here, yeah, me and Frank Kodula, no matter your interest. So be papa will now we are jubilating because I don't mean with the enemy will say you can offer or the same or change the program. I say I'll coach him. I never pay them to oh, we are not God and we cannot play God. For our own lives, to crown you to mean play God. No matter the panaboni, I mean, anyone I put you're gonna for him. More cats on we more than to you. Ghana for the and Kotwa Kenya baby unkind. We are the same people that voted. Anything higher democracy 4 years to be out to be the best punishment Alabama party be honest say what to Obama no fairly so obey the class obey na Titiano. But to go online now will jubilate because obi papa wu. Dear Albania, this all your bronsam. What will you get? Dear Albania, so be a Titiano. Because saying now the person is still controlling your economy. Saying now nipa no kwaji esgasia o. Nipa no dia obeye nyina o say o na nipa da wuni kwaji esgasia. No matter what you do, waste the person the death or not. Obeji esgasia na wo na ho ye shoemaker. Wo da ho tonton power aka kwan ho. So what are you doing? Me one obi send message na Nancy ya mo pon kososo afrim one good man. The people who are against Nanado any near Nanado aye any the Nanado nuanum to say Ghpagetv da komoni ade omo tieti omo na so omo maka omahye. That is what the strategy of those people. Say yam what NDC na NDC wini na be before opposition na new people mra mahama ba 4 years na na say omo asan baba akakoye campaign. They are the die hard NDC MPP for ni bia omo fo say Nanado ba no wasisi party nani wadani party no so Wakenten party na dane na chim kokos asem. Wasane amanti omunko position mbo bia 4 years mahama bedi ano masaba.
We any trendy ADB abeso mo channel yuso. Na sana meso so measure so like ko share no subscribe na de ajunche bia obi a at comment section ase edi amame. Emrepe mu no make kan da mamu. Makram.